Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, emphasizes financial education as a key component of saving money. Now, he advocates for understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. To save effectively, Kiyosaki suggests prioritizing investments that generate passive income, such as real estate or stocks, rather than accumulating liabilities that drain resources. All right? Creating a budget is crucial. Kiyosaki recommends tracking income and expenses to identify areas where you could cut out costs. He also highlights the importance of living below your means, which allows for greater savings. This discipline can free up funds for investment opportunities. Another core principle Kiyosaki promotes is financial literacy, educating yourself about money and money management and investment strategies. Can empower you to make informed decisions, leading to better financial outcomes. He encourages individuals to seek out mentors and learn from those who have successfully built wealth. All right. Additionally, Kiyosaki stresses the significance of an entrepreneurial mindset. Exploring side hustles or business opportunities can provide extra income streams, contributing to savings. Now, by adopting these principles, Kiyosaki believes individuals can achieve financial independence and secure their future.